Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is in collaboration with an awesome company, Firmoo, Firmoo. I will put the name right here on the screen because I want you to make sure that you see it. I want to make sure that you know how to spell it so you can check out this awesome company. Every time you see me do videos, I'm always talking about not being able to find my glasses. What can I say? I need glasses. But today, in collaboration with Firmoo, I have an awesome opportunity to show you how Firmoo can be for you. Firmoo, let it be for you. I'm going to do the unboxing of these glasses, and as you can see, I'm trying to be cute today, but with this, I'm gonna be cute in just a few minutes. So just join me right quick while I unbox this product. And as I'm unboxing, let me just go ahead and give a shout out to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers as well. I thank you for your support. I thank you for, this is not, it's below video, but I'm just cutting open the package. This is not a home decor item, but I tell you, it's an essential. Glasses, for those of us who wear them, it is an essential product. So this is how the packaging comes. Firmoo, you define your look. What they're talking about is they have an online presence, an online website where you can go and you can put your picture up and try on the different glasses, put the glasses over your picture so you can actually see how they look before they arrive. So this is how the packaging comes. They have everything here. This is a hard plastic case to protect them in shipment. And it gives me additional coupons in here for the order. Please look at the Firmoo website and get the glasses that you need. They have sunglasses, they have prescription glasses, they have it all. Just go there and check it out. A website is very user-friendly, easy to navigate. If you have questions, they have awesome customer service to help you with the questions. So as I'm continuing to talk, I'm just showing you how this came packaged. So then it's inside the little protective or cloth sleeve. Voila, look at this. These are prescription glasses. So I sent my prescription into Firmoo. I was able to pick out this style. I sent the prescription in, and of course they put the correct prescription for me within this frame, and they sent it to me. Now, while I just try these on, and as you can see, I got my hair pinned up today. I'm gonna let it down in a minute. Let Firmoo be for you. Look how nice these look on me. They fit well, they are comfortable. They are the prescription glasses that I needed, but they could also pass for sunglasses as well. And that is exactly the look that I was aiming to achieve. Go to the description box, go there right now, order your pair today. Make sure that you use the coupon code that is in the description box so you can get the percentage off as well for very trendy and very affordable glasses from Firmoo. I told you I was going to be cute today. And thanks to Firmoo, I am. I promise you, with Firmoo, you'll have stylish eyewear at an affordable price.